Hello everyone, let's move ahead. Here we are making drawing of some cute cats. First we are making a cat holding a bucket with water. Second we are making another cat holding a tub. And then third we are making a cat holding a cute stamp in her hand. And also making a mini panda at the back. And then completing our drawing by detailing the background with some clouds, trees and the grass. And then we are coloring it with different colors. We are using pink color, blue color and some yellow and orange color for our cats. After that we are highlighting our panda with some black color, and then we're gonna proceed towards the background using green and brown color for our trees, blue color for our background and then the sky. After that we are coloring the ground with some shades of green color. You can see our drawing is almost as ready, just we are detailing it by using some dark shade of green color. Let's move ahead. Here we are making some mushrooms. First we are making 3 mushrooms and then we're gonna proceed towards the surroundings like sun and the clouds. We are coloring the mushroom by using 3 colors which are orange, blue, purple and then the sun and then the background with different colors, and you can see it's ready. Let's move ahead. Here we've made a house having 3 floors and peeping 3 people out of it. First we are making the 3rd floor, then we're gonna proceed towards the 2nd floor and then the 3rd floor. After that you can see we've made 3 windows from which the people are looking, and then we're gonna proceed towards the background like trees, clouds and the sun, and then we're gonna color it. First we are coloring the 3rd floor with blue color and then the 2nd floor with green color and the 1st floor with pinkish red color, and then we will color the background with some green and brown color and then using different color for our rest of the background. And you can see our drawing is almost ready, just detailing it a little bit. Let's move ahead. Here we've made in total 12 circles on which we are making different types of animal faces. Like first we've made a mouse, then the bull and some tiger and bear. After that we are making a snake face. Then we have made a cute horse. After that we have made a sheep, and then we are making this monkey, and then we have made a chicken. After that we've made a dog, and at last we are making this pig. And then we're going to color it. We are going to color our mouse with grey and using some orange and yellow color for our bull, and then we are coloring the tiger with some orange using more colors. You can use any color combination you want for this, and you can see they look so good and pretty. Thanks for watching.